Maths and Maths Academy. Today we are going to solve a quadratic expression. I've seen many students who get confused when trying to factorize an expression where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. This is the similar situation that we are going to handle now. There is a small difference in the method that we apply in this case. So let's do it. Our given expression is 4x squared plus 12x plus 5. In this case, what we will do, we will multiply coefficient of x squared with the digit that is there in the end. So we multiply 4 with 5. So we get 20. Now we have to write all the pair of factors of 20, which are 1 into 20, 2 into 10, and 4 into 5. Now we have to choose one out of these, sum of which will be equal to 12 and product of which will be equal to 20, which is definitely this one, because when you add 2 and 10 it is 12, and when you multiply 2 and 10 it is 20. So we will replace 12x with 10x plus 2x. So let's do it. Four x squared plus 10x plus 2x plus 5. In the first two terms 2x is common, so in bracket it will be 2x plus 5, and in the next two terms 1 is common, so in the bracket 2x plus 5. Now again 2x plus 5 is common, and the second bracket will have 2x plus 1. These are the two factors of this quadratic expression and the answer of this question.